Welcome to Chapter 1, Introduction to Regression. In this chapter, students will be able to 1. Understand the basic concepts related to regression analysis. 2. Understand the practical usage of regression analysis. Regression analysis is a set of statistical methods used for the estimation of relationships between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It can be utilized to assess the strength of the relationship between variables and for modeling the future relationship between them. In other words, it is a statistical technique that is used to investigate and model the relationship of a dependent variable, response variable, and independent variable, explanatory variable. First and foremost, what is a variable? Variable is a representative of characteristics of a population that we are interested to study. There are two variables involved in regression that are the independent variable x and dependent variable y. Independent variable is a variable that is expected to influence the dependent variable, and it can be continuous or categorical. Meanwhile, dependent variable is to be predicted and it must be measured on a continuous scale. Additionally, basic concepts of regression. 1. Based on the objective, that is to estimate the unknown parameters in the regression model. 2. Regression expresses 2 points of statistical relationship, that is the tendency of response variable to vary with the independent variable, and scattering points around the curve of statistical relationship. Let us proceed with the uses of regression analysis. 1. Develop equation and allows prediction about the past, present, or future events. 2. Parameter estimation can be solved. 3. Useful for control purposes. 4. Application can involve prediction of the response variable. The overview of simple linear regression (SLR) and multiple linear regression (MLR) are as follows. The differences between these two regression methods are: SLR involve only one independent variable, while MLR can include more than 2 variables as the independent variables. The historical data or observational study will be used to collect the sample of data. These are several examples on the application of regression analysis that includes the dependent and independent variables. Lastly, there are 4 assumptions of regression analysis, which include the linearity, independency, normality, and constancy or errors.